Hey there, Ray from Marina. So you're ready to go boating, but the engine won't start. It happens. Here's a couple tips that you should check every time when you start that engine, and hopefully it'll work for you. One, always make sure your battery switch is turned on. Our switch is under the helm. I've already checked it. We are in the on position, but you should check it every single time. Two, make sure my engine is down and in the water and there's nobody back by the engine in the water, because we never want to start it when someone's back there. That's kind of an everything. Three, I should make sure that I'm in neutral. I was in gear. So sometimes you bump into the control handle or the shifter and you knock it into gear. I'm definitely in neutral. But no start. Always want to check, make sure my engine cutoff switch is in place and connected. There we go. So we got that start. We're ready to go. Time for some good times in the water.